Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this moist cake. First, start by having 4 eggs. Separate the egg whites from the egg yolk. Give the egg yolk a good mix and add 50 ml of milk and 50 ml of cooking oil. And mix it well. Now add 1 cup of self-raising flour. Mix it until it has a smooth texture. Add 50 grams of sugar to the egg whites while mixing a little at a time. Once all the sugar is dissolved, add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it well. Now add the egg whites to your dough and give it a good mix. Once it's mixed well, add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla and mix it again. Now get your baking tray and spread some cooking oil on it. Then add some flour and spread it around. This will prevent the cake from sticking once baked. Bake it in a 150 degrees oven for 20 minutes. Now for the cream, add 100 grams of salted butter and 20 grams of sugar. Now add 300 ml of whipping cream, a little at a time while mixing. Once that's mixed well, add 1 cup of cornstarch and sugar mixture. Mix it well, and now I have the cake ready. I've cut out the edges and split it into half. Now I'm adding the cream onto the cake. Now I add the second layer of this cake, and I've put the rest of the cream into a piping bag for the top layer. Thank you all for watching. You can find the full ingredient list and measurements down in the description box. If you liked this video, press the like button down below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, press the subscribe button and put on notifications.